So the whole notion of making money while you sleep is just all garbage, unless you have this. We're starting right now. What's up guys, John from johnmcneil.com here, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome here. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing, making money from home, as well as entrepreneurship. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel, click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. So in this video today, I'm gonna be talking about the whole notion of making money while you sleep. A lot of times when you see people in their videos, they're saying, oh, I made $1,000 while I was sleeping. Oh, I woke up to $100. But they don't actually show you and teach you what you need to have in place in your business to actually make money while you're sleeping. Now, it is actually possible, but there's some stuff that you got to have in your business. I want to talk about it in this video, so let's go and get started right now. All right, guys, so when we're talking about making money in our sleep or just making money consistently in our business, there's a couple things that you need to have deployed in your business in order for this to actually happen. And what that is you need website real estate. So I'm going to write that down. I'm going to call it website real estate. And basically what I mean by that is you need to have like blogs. You need to have maybe sales funnels. You can even have, let's say, niche websites. And basically these blogs, the sales funnels, the niche websites, they're working on your behalf while you're sleeping, while you're working, while you're doing whatever, because you know that these websites don't need to take rest and they can basically drive leads and sales for you consistently day in and day out. Now, in order for these websites to actually be making money for you, you have to be getting consistent traffic to them. So from a paid perspective or from a free perspective, you need to be constantly sending traffic. So even if you're doing like SEO or you're doing like pay-per-click to get traffic to those sites, you need to be consistently sending traffic to your sites. Because if you think about it, if you just have a blog, or you have a sales funnel, or you have a niche website, but you're not doing anything to get traffic to it, you're not creating articles, or you're not doing social media marketing, or you're not paying to get the traffic there, like using pay-per-click or YouTube ads or Facebook ads, you're not going to make any money. So regardless of what you choose to have, whether it's a blog or a sales funnel or a niche website, you have to get traffic to it. And that's how people are making money while they sleep, right? Because they have this website real estate here and they're sending traffic to it consistently, whether it's from free organic traffic or it's a paid method. Now, the next thing you can have along with blogs, sales funnels, and niche websites is you can have a social media following, right? So with the social media following, you can have a YouTube channel. I'm going to write YouTube. You can have a Instagram. You can have a thriving Facebook group. And these are just three ways that you can actually drive traffic to your websites, your sales funnels, whatever you're trying to sell through social media. So these things are something that can consistently get your traffic. Obviously with YouTube, you're creating video content and you can get those videos ranked. People are watching your videos all over the world, so you can consistently, literally get traffic constantly. Same thing with Instagram, same thing with your Facebook groups. You can constantly have some interaction and driving people to your different websites. So if you don't have one of the two things that we just talked about, you're kind of doomed to the whole autopilot, making money in your sleep. So again, you need to have website real estate. Or you need to have or be building a social media following. Or you can do both, because you can have a blog and you can be creating content on YouTube and you can post your YouTube videos on your blog. So it kind of serves as two different purposes. But what I really want you guys to focus in on is you need to be doing one of the two at least, right? So you either need to be building websites and getting traffic to it, Or you need to be doing a social media following, whether you're just going to hone in on YouTube or hone in on Instagram or hone in on Facebook and just be committed to it. Because if you do get committed to it and you're creating content and you're sending traffic to your web pages or whatever the case may be, you're going to start seeing that consistent income build up over time. It may not be tomorrow, it may not be next week, but you plant those little seeds and you work hard, and over time, those seeds will start to bloom for you, right? You're going to start seeing those sales pop in. And then if you continue to work and you continue to put in the effort, you're going to start to see like your business explode a little bit more, and you start seeing those sales every single day come in on autopilot. And then that's where you actually hear that term, making money on autopilot, making money while you're asleep. And then you get to that point where the sales are coming in, but you got to have the website real estate and you got to be sending the traffic. So at this point, I really want you to just take a look at your current business and just ask yourself, do I have one or two of these things? Do I have website real estate out there? And if I do, am I getting traffic to it? Do I have a social media following? If I don't, what am I going to choose? Am I going to do YouTube? Am I going to do Instagram? Am I going to do Twitter? What am I going to do from a social media perspective to drive consistent traffic to my sales pages, whatever I want to sell? So answer that in the comment section, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, which one of these do you currently have in your business? Do you have a blog? Do you have sales funnels out there? Do you have a social media presence? And if you don't have any of that stuff, tell me what you're going to have. Like, what are you going to build? Are you going to build a blog? Are you going to create a YouTube channel? And if you guys don't know how to do any of this, I'm going to give you access to some training in the link below. It'll be the first link. You'll have some training that'll help you set up all of this stuff, how to set up a blog, how to set up your YouTube channel, how to get traffic, how to do email marketing. Everything that you potentially need to do affiliate marketing will be in the link in the description. So I hope that will help you guys out, but make sure you guys let me know in the comment section how you plan to move forward with your website real estate. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button if you did, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.